Today, I review the return of an icon. Welcome to the channel, guys, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're reviewing the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 1.0, the grail, the icon, the barometer of all qualities on a Jordan 1. Will this Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard live up to the original release? Will this Jordan 1 be the best Jordan 1 in my rotation? You might need to wait for another video for that, because I need to pull out all my Jordan 1s and compare it to this one, the original Shattered Backboard 1.0 that's re-released in 2025. But before we look at the sneaker, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to us. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro, 808kicks_ATO. Go follow the bro at 808kicks_ATO. Go show him some love and support, because it always comes and shows the channel love and support. And also, guys, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court of public opinion. And last but not least, please do the amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep hitting your goals, to keep hitting your targets, and to keep elevating and growing, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning. You guys need to keep growing. You guys need to keep being amazing, guys, because basically that's what the end goal is. Keep being amazing. But today we're looking at the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 1.0. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, we're looking at the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 1.0, the sneaker which originally released in June 27th, 2015. And how 10 years later they actually released the Shattered Backboard 1.0 for the 10th anniversary. And it actually came out in the UK on the 12th of July, and I actually got it early. This is going to release at the end of this week, which is basically the 23rd of August, because I think the US kind of got a release a month later than the UK, which is a bit odd. But this sneaker is supposed to be the sneaker that everybody kind of gauges the Jordan 1 in terms of the barometer for the quality, the actual grow level. The Shattered Backboard is supposed to be the best Jordan 1 ever made. Now we're going to put that to the test, because obviously I have a lot of Jordan 1s in my rotations. I'm going to pull them out for a different review and kind of give you my top 5, and if I think the Shattered Backboard is the best in my rotation. So basically what we're going to do for another review is drop 5 of the best of my Jordan 1s in my rotation. I'm going to compare them to my actual Shattered Backboard, so it'll be a quite good barometer to actually see if the Shattered Backboard is the best Jordan 1 in my rotation. It'll give us a gauge of how good this Jordan 1 is, and that will be for another review, but stay in tune for that. But before we look at the sneaker, let's take a look at the box, because hey, presto shebang, there you go, guys. This is the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard box. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, and they've actually brought the Shattered to the box, which is absolutely fantastic. Look at the glass breakage on this, absolutely fire in my personal opinion. And they just glassed this whole issue of the Shattered Backboard on this box, and you can see the affiliated writing on the bottom, which is upside down. There you go, guys, and the orange for the Nike swoosh all over this. This is the way you present the actual box of a absolute beautiful grail, shattered all over. And then when you open this box up, it's got this almost authentic feel. Everything feels like it was back in the day. It's even got that big ass stamp at the bottom there, if you can see that. I'll take the tissue paper out. You got that big stamp there. As you can see, that is like an old thick vintage stamp, and it kind of brings back the whole like vintage vibe to this. I don't think 2015 boxes were that bad, but I do notice these actual Jordan 1 boxes are a bit more flimsy, and this actually came from Offspring, I think, did it? Yeah, Offspring, there you go, there's a label. And I did kind of double up on it by accident, and I sent the other pair back. But yeah, the box looks well, I don't really care about the boxer, but the boxer is like less sturdier than it normally is. It kind of feels like it's vintaged out, like the actual lost and founds. The Jordan 1 boxes are supposed to be more sturdy than this, and it just feels like you can't stack them anymore, and this is a bit disappointing. Maybe the old boxes were like that, as you can see. Nobody really worries about box, but you want to make sure the sneakers are good. But this is what the label looks like. That's how it should be. That's how it should come. That's how it should be presented to you when you actually get the box in hand. And this reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and it is a size 11 US UK 10, which is my size, EU 45, and basically the code is DZ5485008, and it is obviously the black sail starfish, which is the actual shattered backboard colorway. And this is an absolutely beautiful way to get a sneaker in your rotation that you always wanted in your life. And you all should know the story about Michael Jordan and the shattered backboard in Italy in 1985 and the backboard exploding. That's the whole story about the actual shattered backboard 1.0s, and this is a sneaker that everybody raves about. Now let's take a look at this sneaker. It's sneaker time, so hey, presto, shabang. And as you can see, guys, in hand, I have the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 1.0. I need to get my hands on that 2015 pair and compare the quality, because this quality on this sneaker is absolutely fantastic. But before we look at the review, I got a bone to pick with the guys in the UK and the EU, because you let this sneaker go on sale. You let this sneaker sit. You let this icon sneaker basically sit on the shelves, and this is retailing for £120, guys, at this moment in time in the UK and EU. And if you are actually trying to get this for the US, this actually proves the Jordan 1 hype died a long time ago, because this in 2021, 2022, 2023 would have sold out and made Jordan brand a hell of a lot of profit. And unfortunately, it's not doing the same thing, but this does not mean this sneaker is not good. This sneaker is absolutely fantastic, because let's turn the energy up, because the sneaker quality is absolutely fantastic. Look at the quality on that sneaker, the tumbleness on that starfish orange that wraps around all the way to the back. The quality on the sneaker is on both sides is fantastic, like in terms of the tumbleness, the sail white. And guys, this looks white in the pictures. This is not white in the video or pictures. This is actually a tint of off-white bone, and you can see that starfish colorway come through as well. As you can see, more of that starfish colorway, and aged, semi-aged, just a touch of cream of that crop on that midsole, which takes the tint of white away from that actual bright white color, and it just brings this phenomenal look to the sneaker. The videos and the actual pictures don't do it justice, because this is not pure white. This is not brilliant white. This is basically a off cream white on the sneaker. It is fantastic. It is just a little touch, and it just makes such a difference in real life, and it just looks beautiful. Black, orange, white, icon, and iconic in all one sentence. Quality is fantastic. Orange outsole like we would get on a Jordan 1, and also just like the originals. I think it's just like the originals, they bring you the shattered on the actual insole. Absolutely fantastic, absolutely magnificent. I like what they've done. They gave you everything that you wanted, and it still sat. And that just goes to show, when you oversaturate a silhouette, when you oversaturate a product, it will sit, because people want limitation. People desire limitation, because people sometimes want what you don't have, and that's what makes things a bit more special. Because when this actually came out and this sold and people went crazy for, this is why this sneaker came back, and it's important. And this is why you need to show a bit more love to this sneaker, because obviously when things like this come out, you don't do well, and when you want things that you like to come out and they don't come out, then you complain. This is why they don't come out. And that's the simple solution to the question that you asked. But on top of that, you get the nylon black tongue, you got the white swoosh Nike tag on this as well. And also, guys, smells like a beautiful Jordan 1. There's not much to say about this sneaker, but I'm definitely going to say this is still getting my super gut, because I've customized this sneaker. I've wanted this sneaker. I've done customs for this sneaker. I need to compare the color matching, to the actual original, and I will bring out the 3.0 and color match and see what the color differences are, because we know the colors are always different on Jordans. And you probably heard a lot of complaints on this video about this sneaker, but it doesn't take away from the sneaker. This is still magnificent. This is still amazing. All in all, everything like it was supposed to be in 2015, and it just brings the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard back with style. That's all I'm gonna say. If you like it, like it. The original one in 2015 is still selling for £600. This actually is on sale in the UK and EU. This comes out on the 23rd of August for the guys in the States. Hope you guys do get it. Hope it actually sells up, because guys, you guys in the States wanted this. I wanted this. Everybody wanted this. And it's disappointing to see this sit, which is sad. But on the other hand, guys, we have the actual left-hand side, similar to this as well. Everything's the same. You do get an actual second set of laces, which is this orange set of laces, as you can see, guys. I'm going to keep the black laces in it as well. Orange laces be a bit different, but I like the actual OG look with black laces with the orange and the actual black and the white. Absolutely fantastic, absolutely beautiful, absolutely amazing. Black toe colorway on deck. It's just a fire sneaker in my personal opinion. Let's be honest, guys, this is a sneaker that you wanted. This is a sneaker that I wanted. This is a sneaker that we all customized, that raved about, and now they're sitting, and I kind of find that a bit disrespectful in my personal opinion. I got the sneakers. Hope you guys in the US get the sneakers on the 23rd and you're able to pick them up, and they're easy as pie to get, as I have been able to pick them up, because that's what it's all about. So that was a review for the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 1.0, the re-release after 10 years. And now we get a special sneaker. Stay in tune for the other reviews I'm going to do, because I'm definitely going to compare the Shattered Backboard to some of the actual premium pairs of Jordan 1s in my rotation. And then we talk about the comparisons between the customs and basically the 3.0. I still need the 2.0s. I'm still going to be after the 2.0s. And I'm pretty sure they'll drop the 2.0s pretty soon, if I'm honest, because this is the restart of some of the absolutely amazing growth that we're getting coming forward. But that review, guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about the actual Shattered Backboard returning. Let me know what you think about the colorway. Did it do it well? Did it actually hit? Is it what we wanted? Is it exactly what we needed? Let me know your thoughts. Could you have done it better? Let me know your thoughts. Let's talk about it. Let's actually break it down, and hopefully we can help improve the brand. That's what it's all about. That's how we do, guys, and that's what we're going to keep doing, to keep pushing improvement, innovation, and progress. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support, guys. But for me, TJ, I love Kid Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. For me, TJ, I love Kid Customs. Until the next review, peace out for now, guys. Peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like Troop. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. Boy, I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell